Hi there, I'm going to show you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Doc. You may need a page down to this page. Simply go to end of your text, click here, go to insert, break, next page. So here it is. I'm going to paste some text. So page under your running page. You may need a page up to this page. In that case, you have to put your cursor to the very first of your text and go to insert, break, page break, and you have a page up on that running page. So now we have one page is here up and one page is there down. Is this video help to solve your problem? If so, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.